On this Mojo Reviews, we'll answer the burning question, what it's like to live the RV lifestyle. Imagine a life of absolute freedom, flexibility, and adventure. A life where you can wake up to a new view each morning, be it the majestic peaks of the Rockies or the serene beaches of the Gulf Coast. This is the allure of the RV lifestyle. RVing offers a unique blend of comfort and exploration. It's a lifestyle that caters to a wide variety of tastes. For those who enjoy the finer things in life, luxury RVs offer a plush, home away from home experience. Picture a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy living area with a fireplace, and a master suite with a king-size bed, all on wheels. You can travel the country without ever leaving the comfort of your home. On the other end of the spectrum, for those who crave a more rugged, off-the-grid experience, there are RVs designed with just the basics, enabling you to immerse yourself in nature while still having a safe and warm place to sleep. You can park under the stars in remote locations, cook dinner over a campfire, and fall asleep to the sound of crickets. The RV lifestyle isn't just for full-time travelers. It can be a perfect fit for vacationers looking for a unique way to see the world. It's also an excellent solution for remote workers who want a change of scenery from their home office. And let's not forget the retirees who choose to spend their golden years exploring the highways and byways of our great nation. The beauty of RVing lies in its adaptability. It can be as comfortable or as adventurous as you want it to be. It can be a weekend escape or a lifelong journey. It can be a solitary retreat or a family adventure. It's a lifestyle that breaks the mold of traditional living, replacing it with a sense of wonder and exploration. No matter your reason for RVing, it's a lifestyle that promises endless adventure. But how can you choose the right RV for your needs? Well, it's all about identifying what you value most. Start by considering the size of your ideal RV. Do you need a spacious motorhome for a family of 6, or will a compact camper van suit your solo adventures? Remember, larger RVs offer more comfort but can be challenging to navigate on narrow roads and find parking for. Next, think about the layout. Do you dream of a king-size bed and a full kitchen, or can you make do with convertible sleeping arrangements and a small stovetop? Your choice will significantly impact your comfort on the road. Amenities are another crucial aspect. High-end RVs can come with luxury features like a washer-dryer combo, a full bath, or even a fireplace. But even modest models can be equipped with essential amenities like heating, air conditioning, and a decent-sized fridge. So, it's worth making a list of non-negotiables versus nice-to-haves. Then, there's the price. RVs can range from a few $1,000s for a used pop-up camper to a couple of million for a brand new, top-of-the-line motorhome. It's essential to factor in not just the purchase price, but also the costs of insurance, maintenance, and fuel. Now let's talk about types of RVs. Class A motorhomes are the largest and most luxurious, offering all the comforts of home on wheels. They're perfect for full-timers or those who appreciate a bit of glamping. Class B and C motorhomes or camper vans are smaller and easier to drive. They're great for weekend warriors or those who prefer a more minimalist approach. Travel trailers and fifth wheels need to be towed, but offer a lot of flexibility. You can unhitch at your destination and use your vehicle for sightseeing. And finally, pop-up campers or truck campers are the most affordable and compact options, ideal for the adventurous types who love going off the beaten path. Remember, the best RV for you is the one that fits your lifestyle and budget. So, take your time, do your research, and get ready to join the exciting world of endless RVing. Once you have your RV, what essential items should you have on board? This is a question that every RV enthusiast, whether a seasoned veteran or a bright-eyed newbie, must ponder. Let's start with safety, because let's face it, nothing spoils an adventure like an unexpected mishap. A comprehensive first aid kit is a non-negotiable item for any RV. It should include bandages, antiseptics, a thermometer, and basic over-the-counter medications. Next up, a fire extinguisher. Hopefully, you'll never need to use it, but it's crucial to have one on hand. Remember, safety first. Water pressure in RV parks can vary widely, and high water pressure can cause damage to your RV's plumbing system. A water pressure regulator can prevent this, making it another must-have item. Now, let's talk about navigation. A GPS designed specifically for RVs can be a game changer. These devices take into account the size and weight of your vehicle, helping you avoid roads that are too narrow, bridges that are too low, or routes with weight restrictions. Now, on to comfort. Comfortable bedding is a must for a good night's sleep. After all, the quality of your sleep can make or break your trip. Choose bedding that suits your personal preference and the climate of your destination. A well-stocked kitchen is another key to a comfortable RV experience, especially for those who prefer to cook on the road. Think about the utensils and appliances you use most frequently at home, and try to incorporate them into your RV kitchen. A slow cooker, for instance, can be a great addition, allowing you to prepare hearty meals while you're out exploring. And let's not forget about storage solutions. Space can be at a premium in an RV, so clever storage solutions can make your life much easier. Look for collapsible items like colanders or storage bins that can save space when not in use. Having these items on hand can make your RV experience safer and more comfortable. And remember, part of the joy of RVing is making your vehicle a home away from home, so don't be afraid to add personal touches that reflect your style and needs. So, how can you ensure your RV stays in top shape for all your adventures? Well, the secret lies in regular maintenance. Just like any other vehicle or home, your RV requires care and attention to keep it running smoothly and comfortably. Let's start with the basics. Regularly checking tire pressure is a simple yet crucial task. Underinflated tires can lead to poor fuel economy and even blowouts, while overinflated tires can compromise your RV's grip on the road. Ensuring your tires are at the correct pressure will not only make your journey smoother, but also safer. Next up, cleaning your RV. This might seem quite obvious, but it's about more than just aesthetic appeal. Dirt and grime can cause wear and tear on your RV's exterior, potentially leading to more serious issues down the line. Regularly washing and waxing your RV can help protect it from the elements and keep it looking its best for those picture-perfect moments on the road. Now let's delve into some of the more complex tasks. Servicing your RV's engine is essential to keep it running optimally. This includes changing the oil, replacing air and fuel filters, and checking the coolant levels. Although these may sound intimidating, with a little practice and the right tools, you can easily perform these tasks yourself. Checking the roof of your RV for leaks is another important aspect of maintenance. Water damage can be a silent destroyer, leading to costly repairs if not caught early. Regularly inspect your roof and seal any cracks or holes you find to prevent leaks. Lastly, understanding your RV's warranty and insurance is paramount. This will help you know what's covered in case of any mishaps and can save you a lot of money and hassle in the long run. Remember, your RV is more than just a vehicle. It's your home on wheels. Taking the time to maintain it will ensure it remains a reliable and comfortable haven for your adventures. Proper maintenance is key to ensuring your RV is always ready for the next adventure. Ready to join the RV community? Well, there's no time like the present to dive in. One of the many joys of the RV lifestyle is the sense of belonging and camaraderie that comes with being part of a like-minded group of adventurers, explorers, and wanderers. Joining RV clubs and attending RV rallies can be a rewarding part of your RV journey. These clubs often provide benefits like discounts on campsites, RV services, and even insurance. But more than these tangible benefits, they offer an invaluable platform for networking and learning from fellow RV enthusiasts. RV rallies are a fantastic way to meet a diverse group of people who share your love for the open road. These events are often filled with activities like potluck dinners, sightseeing tours, and educational seminars on topics ranging from RV maintenance to travel planning. Imagine parking your RV in a picturesque location surrounded by a sea of fellow RVers, all gathered to celebrate the freedom and adventure of the RV lifestyle. It's like a family reunion, only with people who share your unique passion. The sense of community among RVers is truly something special. There are no strangers in the RV world, just friends you haven't met yet. The camaraderie is palpable, whether you're sharing stories around a campfire, lending a helping hand with a tricky maintenance issue, or exchanging tips on the best hidden gems to visit on your next cross-country trip. What's more, the support and advice that can be gained from these seasoned road warriors is invaluable. From troubleshooting common RV problems to tips on how to make the most of your journey, the collective wisdom of the RV community is a treasure trove of knowledge just waiting to be tapped into. Being part of the RV community can enhance your RVing experience and create lifelong friendships. So, if you're ready to start your endless RVing adventure, it can all start with a like and subscribing to Mojo Reviews. Each episode will be filled with tips and tricks and insights into great travel destinations. Welcome to the wonderful world of RV living.